at the Trails and Visitors Centre. Pop in, log in, see what's in the Bibbulmun box. Or fire truck. Stop in on the Blue Wren Cafe for morning tea. Left Dwellingup after a couple of days rest extra, so this is day 12. Heading to Swampy Oak, first campsite. It's about 14 k's, there's a bit of a diversion, so all good. Bit of rain around, so I've got the jacket on, but well rested. Walking through the bush. Going up the little bridge. Oh, let's have a look. We're on a bit of a diversion around this pine forest they're meant to be harvesting. Of course they're not, but anyway. Here we go. Here's the tent set up at Swamp Ook. I've got a little seat, luxury. There we are. So, day 13, left Swamp Oak campsite and off to Murray, about 20 k's today. So, cruisy day. Should get there by about 1 o'clock. I reckon it's about 7:30 now, so all right, enjoy the day. Come to a tea section, so Nyan Biddy goes to Chandura and then to Dwellingup, and we're on the Bibbulmun. There's a little bridge. It's quite different. Recently been burned, maybe last year or earlier this year. Different type of trees. Mighty Murray River! Coming up to that. Campsite at Murray. Watching the mist. Here we are, Murray campsite. Empty, because I'm the last to leave. And down there, in the fog, Murray River. Good morning. Just left the Murray campsite and it's going to be 6 degrees, but still warm. And off to Dwellingup, about 17.7 or something kilometres. Just headed to the river. So the trail is following parallel to the river. We only get glimpses of the river where there's a little road or track going down. Well, if you can't go around them, you have to go through them. Big old beast. Oh, he's on the stairs. Through these beautiful flowers. Nearly there. Coming in a Dwellingup. Gorgeous. Off to the hut. Oh, bright pink toilet. Here I am at Dwellingup, tent set up just behind the shelter. Day 15, I left Dwellingup campsite. Plenty of people there, all good. And off to Possum Springs. So we cross a bridge, across the Murray, and about 21, 22 k's, so a bit longer than the last few days. Anyway, enjoy. Ooh, this is benching all right. It's going up and down. Coming through the forest. The conveyor belt noise. You can hear 10 kilometres away, 24 hours a day. Three and a half kilometres to go. 100 metres to the hut. Here's the tent. Possum Spring. Bookbound. Sunrise after leaving Possum Spring. Early morning start after Possum Spring. Sunrise now. 5:50 I left. And on the way to Harris Dam, so As they say in the movies, double hutting. So it's about 31 to 33 kilometres today, hence the early start. And it's going to be a warm one, 25 degrees, so hot. Right turn. Got the grass trees here now. We're in a bit of a floodplain here. Look at the colours of the pinks, flowers, both sides. Goes on and on. Reach the turn off, pick up some water, have a breakfast, and then keep moving on. Into that. So if you've liked it so far, why don't you subscribe, like and make a comment. I always try to respond to the comments as soon as possible. So give me the thumbs up. Cheers. Huge tree. Crossing a bridge. Oh, there's some water. A little bit of water. It's only drying up. Alright, coming into camp. Should have been one other fellow here, but there's one down here. Alright, we are here. Made it to Harris Dam. That's interesting. Fairyland. Bridge. We've got water underneath. I stand. Whoa! I did not expect that. Continue. Let's continue on. To the other end. Picnic. Harris Dam. Toilets ahead. And that's Marcel. Pretty, isn't it? Left Harris Dam campsite and spotted an emu and 2 kangaroos this morning. Just past the Harris Dam picnic area, toilet, picnic tables, grass, and headed towards Collie today, about 21 kilometres. Got a sense of humour. Hello. The tree has fought back, started eating the sign. Found the Mundabiddy. Outskirts of Collie.
When you come back, I'll have your tea ready, honey.
Oh, okay.
I didn't bring the scones. I left the jam in Dwellingup.
I left jam in. Probably not.
Hey, Sean, welcome to the ranch.
Cut!
Oh, do you have to? Oh, you don't want noise.
No.
You don't tell it. Oh, down you go.